Kuha niyo foul. Ipasa ni Prapra. Out of bounds. Bola sa Tagaytay. Pulas. Speed. Ipasa ni Prapra. It's a press. Good for 3 points.
Yo, Francis. Oy.
Number 8. Gas sa bola. Ipasa. Nakuha sa number 17. Ilea. Good for 2 points. Number 8. It's a tres. Wala. Ilagay hapon. Ipasa. Good for 2 points. Number 9. Pulas. Nagda sa bola. Pass to Upao. Bukali ni Pulas. Pulas. Big. Ipasa sa ilaw. Number 1. Good for 2 points. Number 1. Passes sa tunga. Foul. Foul sa Pulas. Number 27. Out of bounds. Pula sa Tagaytay. Pasa sa kontra. Number 8. Lea. Foul. Kasi foul. Foul si Pulas. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Bringing the ball.
Banday lam Paul. Igsod sa kwan ba?
Pass to Prapra. Prapra, drop shot. Foul. It's a foul. Foul number 8. Substitution. First true, no good. Second true for rebound. No good. Bahan sa kontra. Ipasa sa Tagaytay. Wala. Kuha ni Pao. Ipasa ni Prapra. Prapra. Kuha ni Pao. Spin. Wala. Ay lahay. Nilusot. Ipasa. Good for 2 points. Number 9. Bookman.
Ilawom ting, hatag ilawom ting. Ting.
Pulas, ipasa sa tunga. Ipasa sa ilaw. Wala. Ida sa number 0. Number 0, ipasa sa kontra. Number 1. Pasa sa Pulas. Pulas. Wala. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Itira. Wala. Ibaw. Nilusot. Wala. Foul. It's a foul. Number 17. Wala. Kurang yaman niya. Ipasa ni Pulas. I-fake. It's a press. Wala. Kuhain. Number 0. It's up. Good for 2 points. Number 0. Number 1, it's a tres. Wala. Rebound sa kontra. Pass to number 9. Number 9. Wala. Out of bounds. Wala. Rebound by ball. Shot clock. Good for 3 points. Number 17. Ang atong oras, 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Remaining time. Number 0. Ipas na ilaw. Huwag kabantay. Bula sa nakita. Pass to Upao. Upao, it's up. Wala. Nakuha sa number 9. Number 9. Block. Number 1, pass to Upao. Upao. Number 17 for 3. Wala. Ulas. Pass to Upao. Upao by reverse. Grabe. Titi daw Upao. Number 0. Gasa Bula. Pass to Wala. Number 17. Easy 2 points. Time! Gillespie. Ang atong score, 8-12. Number 8, pass to number 9. Number 9. Number 9, it's up. Good for 2 points, number 9. Upao bringing the ball. Upao for 3. Good for 3 points. Upao. Number 9. It's up. Wala.
Baday laom, Paul.
Upao. Pass to Prak Prak. Prak Prak. Ibalik. Itira 3. Wala. Rebound by number 9. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Big. It's up. Wala. Rebound by Kurt.
Hatagern.
21. Idama. It's up. And 1. No good. Pass to number 9. Good for 2 points, number 9. See, go ahead. 26. Pasa. Kuha sa Kubra. Number 9. Delay up. Wala. Nakuyawan. Number 1. Anda sa hula. Number 9. Libre kaayo. Wala. Good for 2 points. Wala na pala ka. 40 seconds remaining time. Shot clock.
Ilom.
16. Kurt. Wala. Rebound. Seconds. Number 9. It's up. Wala. Rebound. Ten seconds remaining time. Foul. Is a foul. Bonus through. Good. Back foul. 9 seconds remaining time. 1.
Nakadaginot pag yun eh.
And
Kin, ipakuha ng helmet dito, Kin. Helmet ba, helmet? Helmet ba, helmet? Helmet o jacket, mamaman.
0. Pass 2. Number 7. Number 7. Good for 2 points. Number 7. Ulas, nagda sa bola. Ulas, ipasa. Miitsa. Wala. Ibaba. Number 0, nagda sa bola. Ilusot. Easy 2 points by number 0. Pass to number 17 for 3. Wala. Rebound by number 0. Number 0. Pass. Foul number 6. First 2. No good. Second 2 for rebound. No good again. Rebound by Hansky. Ulas, nagda sa bola. Ulas. Wala, foul sa Kundra. Ipasa niya. Number 17. Dia buha niya niya. Hit sa 3. Wala ni Hapon. Buha ni Hapon niya. Pass to Ulas. Ulas. Itza. Good for 2 points. Number 27. Number 0. Dasa bola. Fake ni Itza. Wala. Ulas. Dasa bola. Shot clock, 16. Ipasa sa number 17. Itza 3. Wala. Rebound. Number 7. Number 7. Dapat. Itza. Good for 2 points. Number 7. Ulas. Ada sa bola. Ipasa. Ada pa. Ulas. Pa. Shot. Good for 2 points. Ulas. What a great pass. Number 0. Ada sa bola. Number 0. Lusot. Pa. Foul number 17. 17. Third personal foul. Number 0. Wala. Rebound na po nila. Number 3. Back. Good for 2 points. Number 7. Substitution. In out. Upa, nasa bola. Upa. Ipasa sa number 17. For 3. Wala ang kapo. Rebound. Pass sa number 7. Number 7, nilayap. Wala. Rebound by number 17. Number 17, nagda sa bola. Ihatag sa Upaw. Upaw. Ipasa ni Ansley. It's a Chris. Wala. Rebound by number 15. Foul. Foul number 44. Substitution. First two, no good. Second throw. Good for 1 point. Idol, ada sa bola. Nilusot. Inside. Good for 2 points. Easy, easy. Upar, ada sa bola. Nilusot sa tengah. Back by number 44. Pengelangan apa? Praka. Pass to number 15. He dug up. He fade away. He foul. Foul. Number 1. Inside. Foul number 9. Foul. Kira kenapa? Imong PT pass. First two for 1 point. Second two for rebound. No good. Rebound the third. Play inside. And one. Bonus two for rebound. Good for 1 point. Idol ada sa bola. Cross over. The speed. The pick. Pass number 3. Number 3 the inside. Wala. Rebound by number 1. What a nice foul. Foul number 2. First two. Wala. Second two. Good for 1 point. Idol ada sa bola. Dipasa sa number 9. It's a press. Wala. Foul. Masih Idol. Number 5. Ada sa bola. Nilusot. Dipasa. Isa. Wala. What a nice follow up by Kurt. Ang atong oras, 1 minute and 5 seconds. Idol, Isa. Wala, rebound na nila. Traffic violation. Number 17. Ang atong oras, 45 seconds remaining time. Pass to number 26. He passes to number 5. Layup, wala. Idol. Layup ang libre. Grabe. Ang atong oras, 30 seconds remaining time. Number 17. Nilusot. He passes to corner. Needs a press. Wala. Nakuha ni Clyde. Layup, wala. 10 seconds remaining time. Out of bounds. Turn. Wala. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good for 2 points. Grabe nila. Ito lang nila tayo. Kulas. Pass to number 17. It's a press. Wala. Rebound ni number 29. Pass to number 9. Number 9. The layup. What a good layup by number 9.
Banday itong ating.
Magic layup. Number 27. That's Pula. Pass to back. Pass to Brown. Foul number 3. First two. Good for 1 point. Second two. Good for 2 points. Number 9, Nasa Pula. Pass I love. Number 7. Wow, that's back. Kulas nagda sa bola. Pass to Pau. Nilusot. Wala. Number 9. Dilapay. Doon sa punta. Rak. Dipas to Rak. Kulas. Wala. Iya kapon. It's a press. Wala. Bernard, pass to Idol, lay up, di pass to Buat ayos pass para Idol. Kulas, nagda sa bola, pass to Pau. Kulas, pass to Pau. 2 points to Pau. Out of bounds, bola sa Tagaytay.
Tarong agli apting.
Kulas, pass to Rak, pass to Pau, to Prak, nice connection. Number 9, dribbling the ball, pass to number 7, Itza, good, 2 points, number 7. Another score, 21-39, Labao, and Dilati. Number 1, Ilusot, good, 2 points, number 1. Number 9. Ipasa, ni Itza, wala, lipat ka number 1. The steal, good, 2 points, number 7. Kulas.
Atag ting.
Kulas. Ipasa sa number 1. Shot clock 10. Ni Itza, good for 2 points, number 17. Number 9, bringing the ball. For 3. Wala. Rebound. Grabe yung boy. Pass to Kulas. The pass number 17. Good for 2 points, number 17. Hoy, mga brothers, suot mo na rin. Idol, nagda sa bola. Speed. Fake. Itza. Wala. Iba ka number 17. Number 17. Pass to Pau for 3. Pasang. Baka upaw yan. Time out, Dilati. Grabe upaw eh. Labaw na ang Tagaytay. Idol nagda sa bola. Idol ni Itza, good for 2 points. Idol. Kulas nagda sa bola. Pass number 1. Number 1 to Prak. Wala. Iba ni Prak. Propal. Nakapur. Ignorant. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Foul, number 1. First through, no good. Second through for Real. Good for 1 point. 46-48 in favor of Tagaytay. Kulas. Nagda sa bola. Pass to Pau. Pau, pass to Rak. Itza. And one. Isang foul. 44. Fourth personal foul. Warning to be fouled out, number 44.
Wala.
0. Rodrigo. Dipasa. Needs a press. Good for 3 points. Number 44. Mula sa pula. Dipas number 1. Number 1, nakita kapasahan. Balik ke belas. So number 1, pull foul. To Pra. What a nice connection. Number 29 to number 7 to number 0. 3 million violations. Substitution. Grabe. Yung mga performance na sa science sa ipas. Nagarap. Number 1. Nakita kapasahan. Pass to Pra. Back to Mulas. To number 17 for 3. Wala. Iba sa number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 3. Easy 2 points. Number 3. Mula sa nagda sa bola. Pass to Pau. Out of bounds. Save ball. Ang atong oras ka na biling. Palihog ang tanaw. Pau for 3. Air ball. Lain-lain nagda sa bola. Crossover. The inside. Foul number 1. Ang atong oras. 1 minute remaining time. First crew. Wait, mga nagiyatin. Out of bounds. Safe ball. Out of bounds. Nahintay ni Mulas. Nilusot. Libre kayo. Grabe. Drop naman yung nakita. Number 29. Matugas. Dribbling the ball. Matugas. Shot clock. 8. Pass number 3. So Matugas for 3. Wala. Mulas. Diligi. Grabe. 3, 2, 1. Mr. Daw. Pass to number 3. Traveling violation. Mulas, nagda sa bola. 18 seconds shot clock. Hihikap sa Upaw, lulusot, inside. Black by number 19. Pass to number 0. Libre kayo. Mulas, Upaw for 3. Wala. Out of bounds. Number 7. To Idol. Idol. Luso. Itza. Good for 2 points. Ikaw. Nagtutuyo. Pass to plus. 16. Itza. Wala. Iba ang nagkari. Itza. Wala hapon. Argas. Bula. Sa lefty. Number 7. Pass to number 0. Wak nasaw. Sayang. Substitution. Kagaya na po kanyang mga idol ni number 14. Number 14. Di pass number 1. Wow. Number 19. First through for rebound. Good for 1 point. Last through for rebound. Good for 2 points. Number 0 to number 9. Number 9 to number 0 for 3. Wala, rebound by Papa. Pass to number 15. To number 26. Good for 2 points. Number 26. Number 3. 17 second shot clock. To number 9. Dilusot. Rebound sa corner. It's a first. Wala, rebound by Papa. Rebound. Number set by number 2. Same ball. Prak, Itza. Good for 2 points. Prak. Dapat na kuno. He passes number 9. Itza goes. Good for 2 points. Number 9. Number 14. Right back. Pass to Pop. Pass to number 14. 15. Second shot clock. To number 1. Good for 2 points. Number 1. Number 0. Just Bula. To number 7. Back to number 0. The pass is to Matt. The steal of Papa. Mulai up. The pass of Pau. Time out. Sorry. Number 0, that's Bula. To number 9. Shot clock. 8. Oh, good. Rebound by Pau. Nakuha di number 0. To number 9. Good for 3 points. Number 9. Number 15. Seconds violation committed by number 15. Saya akan slide. Number 0. Nilusot. Wala. Rebound by Kurt. Nakuha sa number 9. It's a press. Wala. Rebound yung Manila. Lagi hapon. Number 1. Layup, by number 9. To Pau. Traveling by Yulaka. By Pau. Dimple. Number 9. Kalma na kayo. Number 9. Nilusot. May pass number 3. Number 3, Itza, Ipasa. Wala. Rebound by number 4. Layup. One. A nice layup by Papa. Time out. Lefty. Number 7, dribble. Pass to number 44, for 3. Wala. Rebound by number 14. Number 14 to Prapra. Prapra, delay ang isa. Wala. Rebound by 2. Good, spin. Foul, number 29. First personal foul, second team foul. Good. Pass to number 17. To number 1. Needs a 3. Wala. Number 14. Needs a tunga. Wala. Nakuha ni Prapra. Prapra, nagkanaw-kanaw. Dipasa ni Bird. To Prapra. Dipasa balik. Ni Itza. Wala. Rebound sa kontra. Number 9. Across number 7. Shot clock 13. Number 0. Stepping on the line. Number 14. Pass to number 17. Easy 2 points. Remaining time 2 minutes and 7. Number 9. The speed. Foul. Foul sa Prapra, number 4. Number 7. Nagdas sa bola. Nilayap. Wala. Kuha ni Manila. Wag yapon. Number 26. Layup. Good for 2 points. Number 9. Pass to number 7. To 29. To number 9. 10 second shot clock. It's a block by number 14. Pass to number 29. Take for 3. Wala. Sobra. Number 9, pasa. Pagi lapor. Out sa kami. Number 17. To Prapra. Nakuha ni Kern. Kern to Prapra. Easy 2 points. Time out. Lefty. Number 7. Pass to number 2. Wala. Number 14. Taking sana. Air ball. Good for 2 points. Hadley. Number 8. To number 0 needs a 3. Good for 3 points. Quick 3. Good. Steal by number 3. Number 7. It's up. Good for 2 points, number 7. 35 seconds remaining time. Number 14. Shot clock. 15. Number 1. It's up. Wala. Number 0. He fade away. Wala. Remaining time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, Congratulations, Team Tagaytay. Next game.